with another edition of Where is Martin's, this time Austin, Texas. Tons of great views, spring water pools, a beautiful downtown area, a very active community, and of course, amazing food. Austin has a lot of different looks to it. They're known for their barbecue and are fueled by a large coffee scene, but the burgers here are not to be slept on. I came across JewBoy Burgers, ran by Mo, who's super passionate about his burgers and the customer experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Mo Piddle and I am the owner and founder of JewBoy Burgers in Austin, Texas. JewBoy Burgers is a celebration of culture. Border culture, I'm from El Paso, Jewish culture because I am Jewish, and Austin culture because we're in Austin, so that is just kind of a starting point for us. We take whatever we think makes sense or some things that don't make sense, mash them together, and then we eat a lot. So why do we use Martin's potato rolls? Well, a number of reasons. One, first and foremost, is taste. We don't like to toast our bread, so without toasting you need a bun that's going to have a nice consistency, it's going to hold up to the juiciness of the burger. Like I said, it's just a really nice texture that goes with all the flavors in our burger. You can hold it with one hand, you can hold it with two hands, it stays together, stays with the burger. One of the big things that I insist on is that the first bite should be the same as the last.